So I'm gonna enjoy myself to leave. Yeah, him evict me. Same one. So happy Monday. We are going on a walk on this fine Monday evening or afternoon, I should say. I bought this sun hat on Amazon. The gang's all here. Come. Let's go.
What's the difference that way?
This way.
Mommy, I want different that way. Mommy, going for a walk up there. Mommy, that's going to be so cool, Mommy.
Very cool.
We've been there before.
Yeah. We used to go there all the time when we lived closer.
Oh, this is actually cool. My that car almost hit us. Mommy? Be careful, Mom. Bees walk along in this area.
Bees, wasp, active. It's not alive, Papa. It's active.
But they're in this area, so don't mess them, Mommy.
Look at the different type of flowers. You have a seaside gentian, cardinal plant, a yellow canna, button push, swamp mellow, and rattlesnake master. Get off her hand. You don't have to hold her hand anymore.
Mommy, what's that, Mommy?
Come on. It's a flower.
Mommy, that's a dinosaur bone, Mommy. You see it? I can see it.
So I'm actually using my phone to vlog. And ever since it has officially been summer, I've been trying to take them to do something new every week. So last week it was, we did the science project thing that I bought for Kai, both Kai and Milani. The week before that, we did a picnic. And then the week before that, stop, leave it. Leave it. I don't remember what we did. Yeah. Come.
Mommy, what's that area?
What's what area? Oh, the week before that was Mother's Day weekend and we did a photo shoot. So every week since summer started, I've been trying to do
and then it was
new stuff with them.
Happy Daughter's Day. Happy Daughter's Day, yeah. Happy Daughter's Day.
Daughter's Day or Mother's Day?
It was Mother's Day and then...
Oh, that's cute.
And then...
I want something like this yard.
Yes.
So like this right here, this is like kind of like something I want in our backyard. This is cute.
Yeah, Mommy, I want this out here, Mommy. Mommy, do not feed them.
What does the sign say?
Do not feed the animals.
Okay.
Feeding wild animals. Mommy,
May.
I want raccoon.
Read the rest, Papa.
I want raccoon. Don't.
Wait, what does it say? Feeding.
Raccoon.
Feeding what?
Wild animals may lead to human or animal injury. Animal operation
overpopulation
or disease.
Good job, Papa.
Welcome to Turkey Creek.
Good job. And Kai Kai just turned 5, and Kai has been reading since he was 3. So, yeah. Yeah.
I'm 4 years old now. I'm actually good at reading.
You're very good at reading.
Yeah, I'm better than my mommy.
You're better than your mommy.
Mommy?
Uh-huh. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this walk. I'll see y'all later.
Mommy, is it this way or that way?
So we are done. We're almost to the exit. We stopped a little bit and we ate some snacks, and now we walk back. We're back to this little place here. We're resting. So yeah, festive day. We've been out here for a while. Let's see. I did 2,613 steps. So, hi.
Mommy, we don't want to go home.
Don't want to go home?
Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Can I go that way?
No, we out and then go to the... Finally got to the end.
How are we going to go to our car, Mommy?
Right there. And then we're going to drive over there and park, and then you guys can go to the park. Alright.
Go, 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 go. Car, go this way.
So we're at the old place, old park that we used to come all the time. And the kids are over there. Yeah. So I'm gonna let them play a little bit and then we're going to head home. Until then. So happy Tuesday. We didn't do nothing much. I just took the kids to the park and to the splash pad today. Nothing major. I'm gonna go feed my kids and chill. I'm not really doing anything today. I know tomorrow I have a package to come, and so maybe you guys get a unboxing. But yeah, deuces. Happy hump day, happy Wednesday. I didn't vlog yesterday because happy hump day. I didn't vlog yesterday because yesterday me and Sean was arguing all day and I was packing up some of my stuff. Okay, I'm gonna take talk from people. Packing up some of my stuff to leave. Yeah, him evict me. Say he want me out. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. We're over it now. But I got a package and I need a package that I want to unbox. And this was my birthday gift to myself.
Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely, alone. Getting slowly, when you know me. Yeah, meditate. You can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me. Yeah. Lay your head on my pillow. Touch is making me feel way. When I get around you, I lose it. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you.
So this unboxing is straight and to the point. I'm just showing you guys me taking everything out. This week was a hard week for me, especially for me and Babe. So
This came at the right time because I needed a little pick me up, and I bought both these bags on the semi-annual sale, and I will say it was well worth it. The leopard print one here is my absolute favorite. It looks amazing, and I will say my phone fits in the trunk. I have a mini and my phone don't fit in it, but if you want a trunk from Brandon Blackwood, please wait until the semi-annual sale or save up because it is well worth it. And this was my birthday gift to myself, and as you guys can see, I absolutely love my two bags. He did that. So it's Friday morning, and normally on Fridays in this household is where majority of the deep cleaning happens. So I'm just sprucing up the house a little bit for the summer. I am switching out these pillowcases. These pillowcases are from Shein Home, and I will say the pillowcases and the throw blanket that I got from Shein were my absolute favorite. So if you're looking for home items, definitely check out Shein Home, and they're definitely affordable. Everything that I got was affordable, but these pillowcases really set it off in the living space, especially where the accent chairs are. They looked amazing on the accent chair, so that's what I'm doing now. I also got this pot cover organizer, and I will say I use a different technique to put this pot cover organizer. It came with nails, and I didn't want to nail into this cupboard, so I used this other adhesive or holder that came with something else to put this pot cover organizer up on the door. We bought new pots and pans, so our lids are overflowing where I normally organize them. So I needed the extra organizer, and I also got it from Shein Home, and it held up pretty good. I will say I definitely suggest you nail this in if you want it to be sturdy and keep your stuff together. I live in a household with a lot of boys, so this right here definitely needed to be nailed in, but this worked for the time being. So this clear bottle also comes from Shein. It's super aesthetically pleasing, and it's super big. It's 750 mils. I can literally get about 4 sippy cups from out this container for my kids when I go to the park, to the splash pad, to walks, whatever the case may be. This hold just enough juice for my kids until we go home. I have this in the 750 mls, and I have it also in the smaller mls, and I will say I rather the bigger mls because it holds more. And also I use these for when we're doing clean juices or when we're doing juice cleanses. So we juice our fruit and vegetables and we put them in these clear bottles and put them in the fridge, and they actually turn out really, really good. I'm just packing my stuff to take my kids to the park because they need to be outside at least 3 to 4 times a week to burn some energy. And I'm just packing my bag and getting out of here.
You know how it feels. Oh my, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. See, let's keep it real. We both still young, so what's the rush? Deny the sun, you're not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel cause I get buff. You told me your new man gon' make you nut. It's a damn shame.
So I had to strip my whole bed, and these green pillows and throw blanket that you're about to see a little bit closer are from Shein Home, and I will say I absolutely love them. The pillowcases are more true green and the throw blanket is a more forest green. It's giving me a little bit more fall vibes, but I wanted to spruce up the room and give it a little bit more color, and these accent pieces definitely did the trick. Amazing, amazing quality.
One honorable mention at the Monterey Festival. Of course you wouldn't remember. You didn't go. Anyway. Died. I was in nursing to wish him a happy birthday. They had just found
So hi guys, I'm sure you guys saw me yesterday doing half of my hair and saying a prayer. It literally took me 2 days to do my hair, and these are mini kinky twists. I've done kinky twists before, but I did them short and bigger and they were giving me grandma vibes. So I wanted to make sure that they were small and cute and also longer length so it doesn't give grandma vibes, and I think it turned out good. Okay, babe helped me part my hair, so that was helpful. But yeah, I promised myself I would stop coming on here looking crazy, and I find that I have been doing that recently, so I needed to do my hair. With that being said, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and thank you to Shein for actually sponsoring a portion of today's vlog. So I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.